Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm so excited. And not only do I have my new ring stand, or ring light with my stand for my phone using my camera, but I also got a wireless mic. So we're going to see how all that goes. I think it's going to be fun. I think it'll work well. I don't know. Let's try it. But today, what I've got here, I've got a wooden panel. An Loft wooden panel, and I've already taped the edges because I don't want any paint getting on the edges. I just want to kind of use that as natural wood when it's done, and I'll resin the sides, but I don't want to get paint on there. So there we are. I'm going to do a ninja swipe. Let me just make sure I've got you centered because we've had so many problems with the last video. It was just, the ring light was not lit, of course, because it broke. It stopped working. But not only that, but the holder on it kept sinking, and we lost part of the painting for a little bit. Anyway, hopefully this will work a whole heck of a lot better today. So I'm going to do a ninja swipe, like I said, and I have just some paints that I really kind of want to use up. And what I do a lot of times is I'll make up colors with leftover paints that really there's not enough to use, but I want something similar, or I just want to use them, so I see the color I come up with. So what I got today is I mixed some together for my background, and I ended up getting a really pretty, like, violet blue, I'd say. A medium violet blue. It's a pretty color. But I'm going to be using that for the background. I have some golden nickel laser gold. I have, let's see, this is Arteza pearl amethyst. This is DecoArt sterling silver. This is Pearl Green by Amsterdam. Oh, it seems like it's thickened up since I sat down here. I'll have to put a little drop of water in there. Iridescent Gold from Golden. Metallic Copper from Loft. And Golden's Nickel, no, phthalo? Turquoise phthalo, whatever it is. And some sterling silver in there with that. So we're going to play, we're going to have some fun, and I think probably what I'll do is put on some music for you here. If I feel like I have anything else that I need to say, I can say it and come back to you, but I will be back to you at the end of the video anyway to show you the final results and talk about the painting and some other information that I might have for you. Okay, so let's paint. This is super pretty. I really love that purple background and all the little colors and details in there. I just do love doing ninja swipes though. Thanks so much to Sarah Mack for coming up with this idea a while back and naming it. I think the Massey boys might have had something to do with the name too, but I don't know. Doesn't really matter. I love it. I hope you enjoyed it too. If you haven't tried one of these, give it a try. It's just so much fun. At first it feels like it's very overwhelming when you're just looking at paint spattering all over the canvas or board or whatever you're painting, but just start somewhere and play with the paint. It's just fun. It's just toys. It's just play. It's just paint. Yeah, you can always scrape it off and try again. And you don't need a lot of paint for this type of painting either. So have some fun with it. If you're feeling inspired, go for it. And you take care of yourself. Make sure you do something good for yourself. Self-care is not a luxury these days. We really all need to do that. I have to keep reminding myself of that all the time too. Anyway, we'll see you at the next video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I love you all. Thanks again. Talk to you soon. Bye.